I'm so excited to be back here in California. Backyard full of lemons, exactly why I love it. There's other things that I love too, but here comes 2018. I hope you guys are having a great one. Be blessed, be grateful, hope for the best plan, be organized. I love music, but in some particular cases, I love the sound of California. Let me see if you